Hello, third graders. Today we're going to go over a short presentation on Chromebook expectations for 2020-2021. The first thing we want to talk about is those CHAMPS expectations. When you're in the classroom, these will all apply a lot in the classroom, but if you're at home, some of them will also apply. When you log in using your Chromebook, remember that you're logging in with your microphone on mute so that you're coming in at 0. As we're learning about these expectations, please, if you have questions afterwards, make sure you email your teacher to ask them. We're going to be learning about how to handle our Chromebooks and what's expected of it. And if everyone's following these expectations, we should have success. So today, we're going to check out our Chromebooks. So the expectation definition is a strong belief that something will happen or be the case, or to the belief that someone will achieve something. So we're going to try and do both those things. Our acceptable use policy means that the following uses of school district systems and the internet resources and accounts would be considered unacceptable. So make sure that you are